You are going to love the 2007 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, compass, child safety locks, clock, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.